It doesn't look like a crime scene, but every day, somewhere inside a database, someone is stealing from all of us. A fake claim, a ghost payment, a missing record no one ever sees. There's a pattern in the chaos. Buried in billions of lines of code, it's been hiding for decades, waiting to be found. Now the systems can see. Powered by Flynet, Parsolvo builds intelligent automation that sweeps through millions of mainframe records in seconds, revealing what no one could find before. Built-in compliance from Flynet closes the gaps and prevents bad data from ever taking root. Socure confirms every identity, ensuring every record and transaction belongs to a real person. And the truth finally comes to the surface. Billions protected, systems modernized. The waste and abuse that once hid in the dark, now revealed by light. We built this to give agencies a fighting chance, not with audits, with visibility. Parsolvo, powered by Flynet and Socure, turning data into dollars and trust into action.